Hi, welcome to AwkwardHamster. Today we're viewing this HOTO 3.6 volt cordless screwdriver. Here are the bits it comes with. Some specs printed out on the bottom here. Alright, let's open this up. Here's a USB Type-C cable. Before I get to this unit here, let me explain what else came with. An instruction pamphlet. Show some pages of it. It looks like there are 3 Torx settings, and everything fits in that cylinder. The specs again, and the language, the instructions are in different languages after that. Advertisement pamphlet. Put this to the side. A little silicone strap right on the top. These are the 12 bits. We got star bits, Phillips, flat, hex bits. Everything's placed in there nice and secure because of this foam type of material. So even when I place it upside down, it's not going to come out. Now let's look at the main item. On the side, here's the battery information. Unloaded 220 RPMs. A few settings. Off, torque 1, 2, and 3. Take one of the heads here. Let's try this head. So each of these bits are 2 inches in length, and it's magnetic. I'm going to change the bit to something that fits my screw. Yep. So luckily this screw is not that heavy. I have a pre-drilled hole here. Let's line this up. Pretty good. I'm going to change it to a lower torque setting. I just want to hear what it sounds like. So with my other screwdrivers, at the lower torque setting, it will click, whereas this one, it just stops. I'm going to change it to that number 3 torque setting. It drove in a little bit more. And it's able to drive it out. Let's see if this can act as a driver. I'm going to drill a new hole. Still drove it in. Now, earlier, when I screwed it into this hole here, I saw there was metal shavings. Now I still see it on here. The shavings are not from the bit head, it's from the screw. So my screw is weaker, so softer metal than this bit head. So there's no issue with the bit itself. Now, because this is magnetic, that's why we see the shavings still stuck on here. Try this out. Just press this back button. Alright. I'm glad that they used a standard charging cable or connector. That way, even if I lose their connector, I can use the one for my Nintendo Switch or for my laptop. The outer material is a non-slip silicone type material. As we can see, it's already gathering a lot of flakes, dust. It's a tool. It's fine. It's not meant to always stay pretty. Now, it's not like a drill gun. It's because of the way it's shaped, I can't exert that much pressure into it, whatever I'm trying to screw. So this is more used for assembling furnitures, kids' toys, drones. It's just something that's, if I'm out and about and I just want to bring a simple kit with me that has star bits, hex, flatheads, Phillips, this will be it. And locks in pretty tight too. There's still room in there. So what I'm gonna do is place it on as if I'm gonna store it. Wrap the USB Type-C around it. Now, let's see if I can still close it. Oh yeah, it still slides in easily. And locks. All right, it really is pretty compact. Now, this is not going to replace a carabiner clip. It's just for show. It's silicone, it's going to rip. I'm not gonna place this, like hook it up on a bike and think that will stay secure when I'm riding. But in my tool corner, in my garage, I can just hang it there or keep it in my closet inside the house. I like this. I saw that there's a coupon for this for 7 hours off and brings the price down to $45 or so. It's a nice, powerful, cordless screwdriver with torque. I'll place the link to this item in the description below. If you guys have any questions, comments, suggestions, feel free to contact me. Thanks for watching AwkwardHamster. Bye.